Guys, kaze kamnandi izolo. Kaze kamnandi color party. I'm not driving really anyways. Fuck izaza. Ngibe ngilibeka la izaza lami. Zazazel. My hot water bottle is here. What else? While I wait for the driver. Guys, yesterday was so nice. Color party. It's a color party. Yesterday was the color party. Yesterday I was a big baller. I was a big baller. It was so nice. Yesterday was so nice. Tando was so drunk. I'm like, show me what the hell to fail metric, man. He's saying Linda, I hope that to fail metric. Are you stingy with money? Hey, bo. Himalayan man. Like, show me, oh. Ushilo uthando wathi bukani nicicela lot. Ushilo uthando wathi echo mina namhlanje so celebrate. Mama kwaze kwamnandi. Ngize ngaqhweba umuntu ade seduze kwami ngambuza ukuthi ikabani lana. Kwase kuba mnandi ngayo. Ngamqhweba ngathi ima wo usho ukuthi sisasemhlabeni. Usho ukuthi sisasemhlabeni. Usho ukuthi sisasemhlabeni yini. Ngamqhweba wangibuka ngathi ya uthe ikabani konje wangasho ngathi wefuseke okusalayo kumnandi. Angiphendula ngicabanga naye nje ulost because Nkosi yami. Guys, tell her to unblock me. Kwasayiwena nje, kwasayiwena. Umngane wami edaweni kwamanzi ite. It was so nice. It was so nice, Shane. It was so nice, guys. Like, I don't even want to lie. Yo, guys, ngiyahamba mina. I'm driving down to Durban. Well, I'm not the one who's driving. Actually. I'm gonna go. Right skabizo lalela ngaze ngahappy ngimncane. Yabona le happiness leyo uthi uhlala uwandarisha uthi ngaze ngawandarisha. Hello? What I show? Guys, in uthi ngihambe. Awushemile isitulo shema ngoba siphinde singibone. Ulesingathi namhlanje. Wait. Antu sakudubuza futhi. Kwamanzi te. Kwamanzi te. Azokamnandi eLouis izolo. Uma. Viva twin, viva. I have my Dior bag and my Steve Volvo, my hot water bottle. I have my charger, right? I have my charger. And my Savizi. Bye, please. See you when I see you, doll. Manzi day, amaribiri manzi day. Aibo, lama sobahleka 1 hour. Da. Oh, Kashem kwazo kamnandi. Lama sobahleka 1 hour. Okay, I'm calling you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, no. No, wait a damn minute. Why are you calling me? Wait a damn minute.